Are you considering purchasing actiTIME for your accounting needs? Before making that decision, here are 12 things you should know to see if it's the right choice for your business, especially when compared to other popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. First up, actiTIME specializes in time tracking and project management, which makes it a great choice if you need detailed time-based billing and task management. Unlike QuickBooks, which covers a broader range of accounting features, actiTIME's focus is narrower, making it ideal for teams and businesses that need detailed insights into time tracking, client billing, and project progress. Next thing, actiTIME's interface is pretty straightforward. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, so even if you're not an accounting expert, you can get used to it quickly. Compared to Xero, which some users find a bit overwhelming with its array of features, actiTIME's simplicity might be a big draw for smaller businesses that need something user-friendly without all the extra complexity. The third thing to note is its pricing structure. actiTIME offers a pay-per-user model, which means if you have a small team, the costs can remain relatively low. However, if you're a larger company with multiple users, the cost can scale up quickly. This is something you might want to consider when compared to other software, like FreshBooks, which offers tiered pricing but provides more robust invoicing features. Next, let's talk about integrations. actiTIME integrates with several third-party apps, but it doesn't have the same extensive list as Xero or QuickBooks. If your business relies heavily on tools like Shopify or advanced payroll solutions, you might find actiTIME's integration options limiting. However, for basic project management and accounting, the available integrations work well. The fifth thing to know is its reporting capabilities. actiTIME offers decent reporting features, but they may not be as detailed or customizable as QuickBooks or Xero's reports. If you're looking for in-depth financial reporting and analytics, you might feel restricted by actiTIME's options. Next, actiTIME is especially helpful if your business works on projects that require time tracking and employee productivity insights. This software is built with project managers in mind, offering features like task assignment, progress tracking, and time logging. Xero or QuickBooks might excel in full accounting functionalities, but actiTIME brings value in terms of time and project management. The seventh thing is the mobile experience. actiTIME has mobile apps for both Android and iOS, allowing you to manage time tracking on the go. This is a big advantage over some competitors that don't offer as intuitive a mobile experience, though it's worth noting that actiTIME's mobile features are more focused on time tracking than comprehensive financial management. The eighth thing is its billing flexibility. actiTIME makes it easy to create custom invoices based on time entries. While it doesn't offer all the invoicing features that QuickBooks provides, for businesses that primarily bill by the hour, this feature is a standout. It's a good middle ground if you don't need the full suite of accounting tools. Next, actiTIME allows multiple users, but again, keep in mind that the pricing is per user. For teams that need to track time on projects, it's great. However, if you're looking for a solution that offers unlimited users in a flat rate pricing model, software like FreshBooks might be more appealing. The 10th thing to consider is that actiTIME's customer support is generally helpful, with email and live chat options available. However, if you compare this to the more extensive support offerings from QuickBooks, including phone support, you might find actiTIME slightly behind when it comes to availability and responsiveness. Next up, actiTIME is cloud-based, which means your data is stored online and can be accessed from anywhere. This is great if you're running a remote team or need access while traveling. If you're comparing it to desktop software, like older versions of QuickBooks, this gives actiTIME a significant advantage in terms of flexibility and scalability. The 12th thing you need to know is that actiTIME isn't the best option if you need advanced accounting tools like payroll management, tax filing, or inventory tracking. For a more complete accounting solution, software like Xero or QuickBooks would be a better fit. In conclusion, actiTIME is a solid choice for businesses that need efficient time tracking and project management without the complexity of full accounting software. It's great for small to mid-sized businesses